Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. Orbital ATK is set to launch its fourth commercial resupply mission. For the first time in its history, the unmanned Cygnus spacecraft will ride into orbit atop an Atlas V rocket, courtesy of United Launch Alliance, and launch from Cape Canaveral in Florida. Cygnus received a few upgrades since the last time it flew, increasing its cargo carrying capacity and volume, and trying out a new solar array design. Dubbed the SS Deke Slayton II after the famous NASA astronaut, the space freighter is loaded with more than 7,000 pounds of science hardware and supplies for use by the Expedition 45 and 46 crews. And among the tons of supplies packed on Cygnus are several exciting new science experiments. The packed bed reactor experiment will be studying the behavior of gases and liquids when they flow together, something that could help improve the design of future water recovery systems, fuel cells, and more. A new burning and suppression of solids payload is on the flight and will explore flame-resistant materials for use in space and here on Earth. And NASA's Small Spacecraft Technology program is sending 2 node satellites to demonstrate how to control entire swarms of spacecraft. We're all about robotics this December, and one Twitter follower started us off with this question: how is robotic technology being used on the station? Well, just a few days after Orbital's launch, one of the biggest robotic devices will spring into action. The station crew will use the large Canadarm2 robotic arm to reach out and capture Cygnus once it arrives. The 57.7-foot-long limb has 7 motorized joints and can routinely be seen moving equipment, astronauts, spacecraft, and even huge pieces of the station itself. It even has a super sophisticated attachment called Dexter to perform finely tuned repairs and experiment work. Keep sending your robotics questions all month using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.